Welcome to Zoomer's RV of Wabash, Indiana. This is the new 2019 Jayco J-Flight SLX 8264BH. This camper is 29 feet, 3 inches long. It sleeps 8 people, weighs 4,590 pounds. MSRPs at $22,983. But is available for the Zoomer's low price of $15,330. That is as little as $150 a month with Zoomer's hassle-free on-site financing. This bunkhouse has an LED light strip underneath the awning. Pass-through storage. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Here we are inside this beautiful Jayco J-Flight. As you can see, we have a beautiful interior. We're going to start at the front bedroom. Here we have our queen bed, shelf, wardrobes on either side, as well as end tables on either side, each with their own outlet. We have these windows, which can be used to create a great cross breeze, and TV hookup. You'll notice we have this privacy curtain. On the other side of this privacy curtain, we have our couch that can fold down to create a sleeping area. Photos on zoomersrv.com. In our kitchen, we have this 2-basin sink, 3-burner cooktop, cabinetry and drawers all the way around, microwave, 2-door refrigerator, nice spacious comfy dinette that can fold down to make a bed with wardrobe space and TV hookup over here. We have these nice double wide bunks. Each bunk has its own window and its own privacy curtain, sink and mirror, and of course a private bathroom, which is great for every family. Foot flush toilet, tub, shower with skylight. Hope you enjoyed this tour of this Jayco J-Flight. See photos or apply for financing at zoomersrv.com. Thank you.